This is how Aiden Ross made $10 million selling his merch with the help of Andrew Tate. In this video, I will be breaking down Aiden Ross' genius marketing plan that he used and made millions of dollars dropshipping. The goal is to teach you the power of influencer marketing, and that with the right strategy and timing, you can make millions of dollars like Aiden did. So let's talk about Aiden. For those of you that don't know him, he started as a streamer back in 2018 who was only playing NBA 2K. And keep in mind that nobody knew the guy for years and he was still doing the streaming strong. Never gave up, which shows a lot about his character and the kind of person that he is. When you watch the videos, you will see that when he's saying something gay, that's where videos get most amount of watch times. You can actually check this out on YouTube. When you hover over the video, then you will see the gray graph. Once you do that, you will see that the gray graph is higher in the minute or second that he says something crazy like
fucking beat. I'm about to beat his. Oh wait. Hey!
If you notice, he doesn't do it all the time either. It's just for a split second or minute that he acts like this, which grabs your attention and makes you wonder if he really is gay, right? And that is his marketing strategy. Initially, knowing that by saying these things and acting certain way, people will start to notice it might be that Aiden is really gay, and that starts the conversation, which is one of the reasons he gets lots of views. Since these minutes that he acts or says something gay will be turned into TikTok videos that millions of people will watch and share, right? So he will get more money, more views and everything. But this character that he's playing is not really Aiden. You have to understand that he's making millions of dollars every month, which makes him very successful and accomplished. These things just don't happen. He had the goal and plan that he worked on for years and executed perfectly. On the video, what you see is a fat kid who drinks alcohol, who doesn't train at all, acts gay and feminine all the time. But in reality, he's none of this. He just plays his character to get more views and make more money. Now with that being said, let's watch a video that shows his dropshipping business with Andrew Tate.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Don't worry, if he tries anything, I'll get him. Security's not around.
He's not even here. Okay, you don't have to close your eyes. It's okay. I won't make you. All right. It's a shirt. Da 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 da. It's us.
I did actually like the shirt when I saw it on you.
Okay.
So I appreciate the gift. Thank you very much.
My guy.
Thank you, friend. Thank you.
Yes. Put it on.
Come on.
Come on. I got it in your size and everything. Try it on.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm not gonna put it on.
You're not gonna put it on?
You know what I'm gonna use it for tonight? Maybe at some point in the future. Maybe when we stream together, we could both wear our shirts. Is that TikTok? That'd be sick, wouldn't it?
Yes.
So what we just saw was a 1-minute ad. The video stopped with Aiden showing his product, which is the merch that he's selling. Very simple and yet very effective, since all of his viewers are same with Andrew Tate. But then what makes him genius is that he doesn't even give any call to action or sales pitch. As you can see on the title, it says Aiden Ross gives Andrew Tate his dream gift, right? So everybody wants to say, oh, what did Aiden give him? Oh, he gave him this t-shirt that is with his image and Andrew Tate's on it. Oh, it's very funny.
That'd be sick, wouldn't it?
Yes.
He makes some jokes and takes some bullying along the way in the video, which makes it more generic and funny video, and hides the fact that this video is really an ad. And if you see here, you see that at the end of the video is the most replayed part, and at there he have also put another reminder for you in case you want to purchase the product. If you check the videos on Aiden's channel, you see that it's only 1-minute video and nothing more. If you compare it to other videos that he has, it's not normal at all, since rest of these videos are on average 20 minutes long. That just shows the purpose behind this video. This just shows how strategic and smart he is. This 1-minute video have over 2 million views, which he got organically by not spending a single money on ads. And how did you do it? Was by using Andrew Tate's name, his own name and audience that he had. You can only imagine the amount of money that was made here. So how can you replicate this on your own dropshipping business? You should make a controversial ads and engage with your customer in discussion in the comments. For example, you're selling a product for the pet owners, more specifically dog owners. You can put a small clip in the video of the ad of a dog that is being abused. I'm not saying make the video of you abusing a dog. What I'm saying is you can start the video ad by a clip of an abused dog that looks just very sad, and then your product comes, which is the solution. As a dog owner myself, I would be very emotional and invested in that video, since I don't want that to happen to my own dog. So I keep watching the rest of the video to see what happens. Once you do this, you will see lots of people engaging under your video ad, all because that small eye-catching controversial clip that you put in your video ad. In the comment section, when people ask you a question regarding anything, you can engage with them instead of giving them straight answers. For example, customer can ask, I'm not sure which size would fit my dog. Then instead of saying here's a link to the size chart, you can say please share a photo of your dog so we can even help you further. This way you create engaging customers in the comment section, and that's what will make your video viral, since everyone is talking to each other, and this will help promote the video even more. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It means really a lot to me. See you next time.